Hey stars, welcome and welcome back to the channel. It's SOMTO here, and if this is the first time you're coming across me, hey love, how are you doing? It's so lovely that you stopped by today. Please do well to stay, okay? I promise you on this channel I have a lot of fun, beautiful, gorgeous, unique, interesting, intriguing, elegant, most beautiful short hairstyles and haircuts for my black queens and so much more. I have transition, beauty, fashion, just name it. Okay, rest assured that this place is the place for you to be. So please click on the subscribe button, turn on your post notifications so that you'll be the first to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Stars, in today's video, I bring to you 5+ ways to style a short pixie haircut. Yes, today we are DIYing it. I have some that went to the salon though, but today it's all about DIY styling that your pixie cut. I know you love this one. Like, I have the highest viewing shot on my channel. It's actually a video on how to style short pixie cut, and you guys loved it so much. And there are a lot of videos that have been doing relatively well too, but yes, you guys really love this one. And today's one is so beautiful, so unique. I mean, this is my black queens, this is my young black queens that are doing this for us today. They're so beautiful, they're so unique, so gorgeous. I mean, the way they smile, oh MG, just look at it, look at this, look at the style, look at the elegance. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. This short pixie cuts, you're so mwah, you are going to love it, trust me. Sirs, please, if you haven't, please do well to subscribe to the channel, okay? Give the video a big thumbs up. Your girl is trying now, please. Leave a comment. I like to know which of these short haircut and hairstyles and pixie cut styles was your favorite in the comment sections. And please do share the video, okay? Let this video reach as many black queens as it could, okay? I love you guys so very much, and in my next video I will speak to you all. Bye loves. Mwah.
29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be yours. One day I'll be yours. One day I'll be yours. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life changes, just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours. 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs.